Do you remember the sales VP who kicked off the sales conference by talking about the customer conversation that they had? Or do you remember the CFO who kicked off the all hands call when she told us about the interaction that she had with the board of directors? Both of these people are telling stories. Stories are engaging. They're very effective. Why? Because we love stories. We're living in a story. If you come to the iSpeak Corporate Storytelling Workshop, we're going to share with you two very important templates and tools that you can use to create your own stories. One is the Who Am I story, and the other is the teaching story. Remember, it's not about entertainment. It's about better results. I look forward to seeing you in the next Corporate Storytelling Workshop.